Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. So today I will tell you how to be an amazing wedding MC. You've been given the honor of being a Master of Ceremony or MC of a wedding. Sure, you probably have different emotion about this. You might be thrilled that you can help make other people's wedding flow smoothly, while terrified that you'll mess everything up. Being asked to be an MC is an honor. You will be fine. After all, they wouldn't choose you if they didn't trust you to do an amazing job. So, what does MC do? Okay, without further ado, let's get started. The first one is have a plan. Before the big day, you should have a very good idea of the order and flow of the evening, the proper pronunciation of important names, and to a very large extent, everything you're going to say that night. That doesn't mean you need to be 100% scripted, but there will be those little spontaneous moments where you can inject an appropriate comment or a touch of humor or emotion. After all, that's why the bride and groom selected you to be their MC, because you are good in front of a crowd and can likely to tell a good story. But a wedding is an emotionally charged and time-sensitive event, and you need to have a plan. If you can, sit down with the bride and groom a few days or weeks before the wedding and ask for a list of jobs they would like you to do, some stories you can share about them, or any topics which are off limits. The second, limiting inappropriate behavior. Obviously, your behavior will be noticed by everyone, so limiting inappropriate behavior while you are on duty is vital. Arriving early at the venue or visiting beforehand lets you see where things are and can assist guests when they arrive. Introduce yourself to key people, it can be a plus for you. Third, meet the vendors. Prior to the beginning of the reception, make a point introducing yourself to key vendors, including the wedding planner, site manager, band, photographer, videographer, and so on. A reception entails a number of interconnected and moving parts, and everyone needs to know what's coming next. That's all on you. So, make those connections in advance. Fourth, test the mic. Test out the mic and sound system before the wedding party is lined up to march in. Yes, that's your job. Or precious minute will be wasted and it will be your fault for not checking it. Fifth, open strong and get out of the way. Your job is not to bring up rambling anecdotes throughout the evening and to tell a story or a joke before and after each speaker. To a large extent, your job is to keep things moving as quickly as possible. No one likes long wedding speeches. Be sure to have a strong opening, be upbeat, welcome everyone, and thank them for attending. Sixth, approach humor with caution. Again, this isn't about you and how funny you are. Funny moments at a wedding can be great, but often those are introduced by the various speakers such as parents, friends, or siblings. A joke told in a poor taste can create an awkward moment and bring the good times to a stretching halt. Approach humor carefully. Test out potential jokes on the bride or groom or another trusted friend in advance. Seventh, think of your audience. The best way to ensure you'll be remembered as a great MC is to focus on your audience. Is there a lot of out-of-town guests? If so, give them a special welcome or a few interesting facts about the city. As the MC, your role is so important. Your performance can help make the evening run efficiently, and it can help make the reception a special and memorable event for everyone in attendance, especially the bride and groom. So, that's all for me. Thanks for watching and see ya on the next video.